This done got real ratchet in Greenville. They done shooting at the police and all. It's 4th of July, 2011. They done shot the police in the face with the fireworks and trying to make over. They got the helicopters and everything coming out now. As you can see, they got the helicopters out. It's getting real ugly. It's time to go in the house now, everybody. It's done got wild out here. What's up? I'm going in. They said they shot the police in the face. It's crazy. I got help. You know, I got to help them. They coming from everywhere. They are coming from everywhere. And I must cut off my camera.